Now let's look at how to configure the Percemcap J1 camera. It must use the Internet Explorer. There are two types of web browser here. One is Microsoft Edge. Don't use this. What should I use? Type Internet Explorer. Okay. The IP address of the J1 camera is let me see, 1.3. If you don't know this, you can add this J1 camera to Percemcap and find out the local address on the Percemcap camera. Okay. Do you want to run web CMS ActiveX? Allow it. Okay, you should allow this thing. Turn on the firewall to allow this thing to run. The username is this, SNAPADM1M, and the password is the key, which is printed on the box or on the back of the camera, bottom of the camera. For this camera is DEERYELRCBDA. Okay. String the camera. You can also adjust the focus using this button. We're going to go ahead and jump here. Jump to the system. Time. Make sure you always have an NTP server. I'm always going to use a London GMT +0 time zone. And you can change the language here. For smart analysis, is talking about the face, smart face, snap after leaving, or you want a real-time snap. I'm going to put a real-time snap, but I do recommend to put or real-time snap and a snap after leaving. Okay, this is good. And if you want to FTP or not, we always want to, for the welcome app, we need to turn on the FTP. So when we get a face, we're going to push to the cloud. Okay, we need to turn on FTP. And then for system, there is for network, I think, there is a FTP. We need to configure the server URL. Let me see. Let's go to learn. Go to this post. How to configure. I need to find out how to do that. So number 1, configure. Number 2, smart analysis, smart face. FTP need to be on, and then go to here. The server address is a PC Dura 9's address, which we have talked about in a previous video, how to fix the IP address. If you haven't seen the previous video, you can go back to the post and find out the video address. So which is 2. Okay, that's what we did. And the port address and FTP username is deepcam. Password is deepcam. Now we are good, all good. Now we are all good. Okay. Let's go to stand in front of the camera and see how the system works.